Hey everybody, how did you go watching that video with all the different vocal expressions of blending? Did you think that some worked better than others? I'm sure you did. For example, when I was singing with lots of vibrato, you might have noticed that it sounded really heavy and really thick, and sometimes notes were sticking out when they shouldn't. And I'm harmonizing with myself, so it even sounds tighter than what would normally happen, because in a group where everyone has different vibrato, it's all over the place because everyone has a different rhythm of vibrato that is happening. So vibrato can sound really messy. Or you might have noticed that when I was really pushing those notes out and singing with a really forced tone, again, some notes are sticking out because different parts of my vocal range are louder than others. It's the same in a vocal group with a lot of different singers. So those kind of sounds don't really work, do they? And what about when I was singing like a solo singer? It just sounds like lots of solo singers. There's no vocal blending happening at all. My favorite vocal blending, I mean, the first and the last one were two examples of okay vocal blending. The first one I was singing with a little bit of vibrato, but the last one there was no vibrato at all. The notes were very straight, and I was trying to make sure that I was sliding and falling at different times, but at the same time as the lead vocal. So that's a little example of vocal blending. I hope that you will go and have a bit of fun now on that app yourself. Well done for having a listen to that and learning to understand what it sounds like when things sound like one as opposed to many different voices.